Do you eat right, exercise, and meticulously plan out meals, but still struggle losing weight? That was me too. I tried every diet: low carb, no carb, only carbs, and even went on a starvation diet. Nothing worked. I might lose a few pounds, but nothing would last. A friend made me realize that all the yo-yo dieting meant I simply was not getting the proper nutrients my body needed. And that if I truly wanted to lose weight, keep it off, and still eat healthy, I needed the right nutrients to do it. She introduced me to the 28-Day Slim Down Kit, developed by a functional and holistic medical doctor who's been helping men and women lose weight since 1989. That includes 6 nutrients that cause your body to shed pounds naturally. It includes a proprietary combination of natural supplements and minerals: conjugated linoleic acid, a metabolism booster; green tea extract, an antioxidant; chromium chelate, a trace mineral that supports healthy blood glucose levels; BodyWorks Plus, a blend of natural nutrients that help increase energy levels and control carb and sugar cravings; Fiber Blend to help sweep toxins from the colon; and Detox Formula to detoxify the liver. Sounded great, but would it fit with my lifestyle? Between work, kids, and trying to exercise, would it be easy to stick with? Yes. The 28-Day Slim Down Kit is pre-sorted and packaged in convenient daily packs. All I do each day is grab and go. It also comes with a comprehensive guide, 4 weeks to a slimmer you, with a complete 28-day meal plan and emails, which were easy to sign up for, from their certified and licensed staff throughout the month that helped give me amazing recipes and an education on everything from healthy eating habits to how to effectively use supplements to lose weight. And if I ever have questions, I just email or call these professionals for free. That's something that usually costs hundreds of dollars. They recommend drinking a smoothie each day, which is included in the 28-Day Slim Down Kit: a month's supply of Physician's Preference Vitamins Pure Pea Vanilla Protein Powder, a vegetarian protein shake mix to provide sustained energy all day. After 3 weeks, I'm seeing noticeable changes. My clothes actually fit, and everyone's asking me to share my secret. So that's what I'm doing. Regardless of your goal, whether it's a few pounds or a lot more, the 28-Day Slim Down Kit is a safe, natural way to do it. No drugs, chemicals, or fad diets. Call 281-646-1659 or visit www.physicianspreferencevitamins.com. Search Slim Down to purchase your 28-Day Slim Down Kit today. Use the code SLIM and get 20% off.